Hello culturally curious, today we're here at the Tate Modern in London, checking out Tracey Emin, A Second Life. This landmark exhibition brings together over 4 decades of the artist's practice. We see sculpture, neon, textile and painting come together to take us on a journey, showing us the life events that dictated her practice and transformation. Let's take a look inside.
The point of this exhibition is thematically curated, and The Second Life relates to sort of life before rape and after rape, before abortion and after abortion, before her surgery and after her surgery. So it's these sort of momentous occasions in her life and how she transcends them.
Tracey has, in the 1990s, what she calls an emotional suicide, and she actually ended up destroying all of her works from art schools. This is, in fact, images of those exact works stitched into canvas, a new rebirth of work.
She's a remarkable painter in technical terms, as well as somebody who gives us the rawest and most immediate sense of all of human emotion. She has evolved as an artist through the decades. This is an artist who keeps mining her own experiences, not as confession, but as the stuff of human life. I am lucky enough to be of an age that I did see 90s blankets and My Bed, which was shown at Tate Britain in 1999. But younger generations in London or across the UK haven't seen those works in real life. And so I felt, as if you like, as director of Tate, it was really overdue for us to give this most important British artist a major whole career show.
It was a period from about 1993 where Tracey started to go into quilt making and craft. She loved the fact that it elevated this form which wasn't always valued as high art. And if you know anything about Tracey, you know that now she has relocated to Margate and has set up Tracey Emin Studios, TKE Studios, where she is constantly championing and fostering new talent for the next generation.
The Bed essentially was where Tracey had this kind of 4-day mental health breakdown. It really surprised me looking through the archives and newspapers of how virulent and cruel the press was, the tabloid press in the late 90s, early 2000s. I think culture has shifted so much. The discourse, the understanding of feminism and mental health generally means that The Bed has taken on far different meanings.
The Bed was initially the result of a complete and utter mental breakdown. It's about the mental state of mind that she was in. Having spent so long in bed recovering in 2020 from her life-saving surgery, The Bed is now recontextualized. I see it and I treat it differently. It's this sort of cocoon, this shelter. It's no longer about the emotional, it's about the physical. It's about her body and about recovery and about transcending.
It's so interesting how she thinks about the afterlife, about ghosts. She's big into like tarot cards, and she actually has often thought about her paintings being like tarot cards. So she has to learn something about herself when she's making a painting. It has to reveal something about her deep subconscious that she's not seen before. So it's almost like telling her the future in that way.
There's many people that look after Tracey. Of course I love and care about her. She's sort of this mother figure and I'm like her son. And I have this paternal care for her as well. I'm like a father figure. I'm also her therapist in many ways. The Tracey today is a completely different Tracey to when I first met her. She's a lot calmer, Tracey. Yeah, but she's sincere. And I would just want people to know from this show that she is the real deal. She is a sincere artist.
What I love in this curation is we've got the work in Stockholm where people could look at her through a little peephole, but she was totally in control. We've got the small works about her operation and these large, energetic works. There's so much to envelop yourself in.